Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Dodge Ram 2500. First, gather safety gear like gloves and eye protection to prevent accidents. Next, position the donor vehicle, with a working battery, close to your Ram 2500, ensuring they do not touch. Both vehicles must be completely turned off and in park or neutral with parking brakes engaged. Finally, locate the positive and negative battery terminals on both vehicles. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. First, attach one red clamp to the positive terminal of your Ram 2500's dead battery. Then, connect the other red clamp to the donor vehicle's positive terminal. Next, take one black clamp and connect it to the donor battery's negative terminal. Finally, attach the remaining black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Ram 2500, away from the battery, to create a good ground. With the cables securely connected, it's time to start the vehicles. Begin by starting the donor vehicle and allowing its engine to run for 5 to 10 minutes. This gives the dead battery in your Ram 2500 time to charge. After this, attempt to start your Dodge Ram 2500. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a few more minutes before trying again. Remember, do not crank the engine for more than 15 seconds at a time. Once your Ram 2500 starts, disconnect the cables in the correct order. First, remove the black clamp from the unpainted metal surface on your Ram. Next, disconnect the black clamp from the donor vehicle's negative terminal. Then, remove the red clamp from the donor vehicle's positive terminal. Finally, disconnect the red clamp from your Ram 2500's positive terminal. Let your Ram run for at least 20 minutes to recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.